Hello viewers, welcome to NodeJS tutorial. Today I will show the example of NodeJS Mongoose, how to connect with MongoDB. So at first we need to load the require the package of Mongoose. So here is the MongoDB module, Mongoose module. We have this required. Now we will connect Mongoose with MongoDB. Mongoose dot connect MongoDB slash localhost 27017. This is the MongoDB port, and then set the database. Our database name is mydb, and then var db equal to mongoose dot connection. Mongoose dot connection. Now we will check the connection. db dot on error, console dot error dot bind console connection error. If connection is any problem occurs, then this message will show connection error. Then db dot once. Now we will open the connection. Open the function, callback function. Now we will check the connection. Console.log connection successfully. Before connection with MongoDB, at first need run MongoDB. Run MongoDB from the command line. Open the command line and write the MongoDB. Then MongoDB server will be run. Our MongoDB server. Here is the MongoDB compass for MongoDB tools, UI tools. Our database is MyDB. This is our database, MongoDB database. Now we will connect the MongoDB with database MyDB. So here we have at first load the MongoDB package, and then we connect with the MongoDB localhost 27017, and our database name is MyDB. Here is the Mongoose connection. Here is the checking error, and then we have opened the connection, and then if successfully connected with database, then this log message will show connection successfully. Now we will run our project or check the connection. Open the terminal and write node server.js. So here our MongoDB connection successfully. Here showing the console log connection successfully. Here is the showing sorry, we need to set message console.log console.log connection has been successfully. We can run again node in server.js. So hash string connection successfully. So our Mongoose connect to MongoDB, successfully connected with MongoDB by Mongoose. Thank you.